going, everybody? Jacob Rothenberg here with eXp Realty, and we'll be taking a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house listed for $267,000 here in North Las Vegas. Let's take a look. All right, so let's take a look. Again, this property is located in North Las Vegas. It took me about 20 minutes to commute here from the Strip, so it's an easy drive to get to the center of the action if you want. This neighborhood is mostly suburban, so it's nice for families and those who want a slightly quieter lifestyle away from all the action. And this is a 1,527 square foot property, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, listed at $267,000. And coming from the Bay Area, that is a heck of a deal compared to what you'd find somewhere in the East Bay. So as far as value, you really can't beat it. You've got the living room, kitchen space here. Let's actually slow down a bit, show you everything going on. We've got the fireplace. This property is unique in that it has no HOA. So if you are not a fan of paying HOAs, who is a fan of paying for an HOA? I'm certainly not. So that is pretty uncommon for a Las Vegas property. We'll take a look at the backyard in a bit. Let's walk through one of the bedrooms. Okay. This is a pretty nice space for like a child or someone, one of your kids staying here. I like that. Obviously it's ergonomic. The bedroom faces where the TV could be. You've got your closet space and space for your PC, for your gaming, your streaming, what have you. Another bedroom here. Fairly straightforward. I do like the addition of the little pillars on the side as a furnished idea. That's pretty cool. Closet. Then of course, got your bathroom. Pretty standard stuff. I mean, you are getting what you pay for. And that being said, with great value, you're still getting a relatively high quality property. And this is the master. So this is, I'd say, pretty decent for a master bedroom. If you're a first-time home buyer or you're a newly wedded couple, perhaps expecting a kid or two, this is definitely a good fit for someone starting out at this price range, especially of $267,000. Got your double sinks. Yeah, very cool. So let's also just head over to the laundry area. You've got your washer, dryer, whirlpool included. And you've got your 2-car garage. So take a quick peek. There you go. And last, let's actually head over to the backyard and see what we've got going on. So per my notes, it's been professionally landscaped. You know, granted, we are in the desert, so this is how most backyards are going to appear. Yeah. Just reflecting on my own experience as a homeowner, I bought a $308,000 home that was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. That was, I think, only 1,000 square feet. Granted, it was a newly built construction, but as far as sheer size, the number of bedrooms you're getting, and the location, this is a pretty solid deal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link below in the description of this video. If you're interested in either this property or Las Vegas properties in general, be sure to reach out to me. Just fill out a short form, and you can either reach me via Facebook, if you know who I am already, or if not, you could definitely comment in the YouTube channel, obviously, that I've got going on, and let's get in touch. So until then, guys, I'll be on the lookout for more good deals in Las Vegas. And until then, I will see you later. Take care.